Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to Simswat's online flower class. My name is Oluyinka Oduwabi. I'm here again with another lovely circle flower. Can you see? I want to show you how to do this. It's really, really lovely too. So let's get started in the new flower class. What are we using? Your ruler, which is the fabric. I love using this material. It's mercury material. You can use organza, you can use bridal satin, any fabric at all, your lace, your ankara, whatever, you can use it. That is why I am here. Simswat is here to give you something lovely. So now we are going to be using the same measurement. This, of course, any measurement you put it's going to be okay. So you can use, mostly this is 15 centimeter. And the second one too, same measurement. I'm using the same measurement for this particular design. What are we going to need also? You need your pins, so, and your lighter. So you can use get ready your glue gun. You can either use your glue gun or you use your UHU. So anyone that is convenient for you. So as usual, I'm going to fold this into two equal parts. At times you may need to roll it until when you get equal parts. Then I fold it again into four. I do the other side and I tuck it in. This one is just going to be like this. But the reason I'm going to fold it into four is to guide you through. Just use your hand just to press it down, then to have the faded part here. Then you use this. If possible, let me just do this too. Can you see? Fold it just to have an idea where it is. Then half the line to here and you pin. Let me do the second one for you to understand again. Into half, into half. Just to have that. Of course, you can just use your pin to hold it down so that it won't shift. Then this one must be into the half and half. Then I use my lighter. Instead of just pinning down, I use my lighter. Then I get another half of it just to guide me through. Then go to this half part, put it there, let it align with the one of the down, and you pin. So what am I doing now? I've already started passing running stitch with this. This is already a 3. So I'm just going to start with my thread and continue passing running stitch, starting from down. I start passing running stitch. Please make sure you use the same thread. Now Then making sure all these ones are equal, very important. And you are holding the four. As you are passing the running stitch, please be checking both the front and the back that you are really getting all of them. Is this your first time of joining us in this class? You are highly welcome. I love you. Thank you for joining. We're not taking you for granted, but you can just do one more thing for me. Please help me subscribe and like my channel. If you have a fellow sister that you would love to encourage, that likes something that I'm doing, please can you share it with her so that she will love you. She will know that you truly love her, him or her, because I won't say. I have some students that are guys that loves this flower class too. Also, don't take it that is only for fascinator people that can use this. Tailors, tailors, shoemakers that uses fabric to make female shoes, designers, anybody in fashion, even the auto gele people, anybody will always like this program class because they are using fabric to do whatever they're doing. So now this is how it's going to look. I'm going to remove the pins and I pull, I tighten. You have to decide what you want to put in the middle first before you know what. If I want to tighten to the fullest, yes, I can also do that. So it depends on what you want to use. So I'm going to tighten now. Then can you see? But like I said, you have to consider what you want to put in the middle. You can. I have this. I have a black. So whichever one I want to put, but I will put this. I want to use this. So let's see first. You have to use it as your guideline before you tighten. So like I say, you will do it. I need to have more thread on the other side. So this is what I'm doing now. I will tighten. So now I have an idea of the space that it will occupy. So I'm going to tighten. So you have to have an idea. For those that are on Telegram, you can please go and search Simsworth Fascinator community and join. Yes, you can join so that you can send me the pictures of what you have tried and I can easily correct you if there's any correction. You can also ask me any questions there. Please, you are free. So this is what I have now with the aid of my glue gun. I will add this carefully. this, you have to be careful. And I add the Everfoam. This is Everfoam. You can get it in any craft shop, hobby crafts, any craft shop at all. You can always get it there. So now I'm going to force it in. Did you notice what I did? I added the gum on the fabric. The Everfoam did not have gum, so that when I'm pushing it in, it will be neat. So now it's done like this. Then I use my, this is 5 inches, 5 inches. I use it to cover for now. It's not only always 5 inches I use, so it depends on what you are doing. Prayer. So don't say, oh, she's always using 5 inches. No, it's just for this tutorial, or let me say it's coincidence that I'm just using 5 inches for now. So I use virtually any. Sometimes I use 10. It depends on what I'm doing. So I've covered the back. Of course, this one can be, let me just show you. It can be like this if you like. You know, it depends on individual's taste. I'm going to even do, okay, there's a design that just came to my mind now. So it can be like this if you like it, like this. So tucking it in and staying like this. Can you see? And adjusting, or I can easily turn this one the other way around. It's to your heart desire. It's however you like it actually. So it's how you like it. So I'm going to purposely just turn it upside, the other side. One will be facing up and the other one will be facing down. And expanding this. Okay, so can you see? Can you see how it's looking? So it depends. Now I'm going to use my Alice band as usual. If you like, you can use your air clip. If you like, you can use whatever. It depends. All this depends on you. The most important thing, okay, for those that will ask me that, why am I using the bigger one? Okay, I'm going to use the same size with this, but you must make sure it aligns with this particular first one that you have used. So I'm going to use that for now, because some people have asked me that why am I always using two different ones. But now I want to show you that of course you can still use the same one, but on a condition that you will align it well. So like as usual, I've placed this one inside. Just do you see? I've placed this one inside. If you have a mannequin, it's very easy for you to do it. Place it wherever you want it to be placed, and using your glue gun. I'm using glue gun because it's faster. If I have to wait, you can use your glue UHU. Of course, I love using UHU a lot. I use it a lot. But for just this tutorial, um, I decided to use the glue gun. Okay, so now that is the tricky part. you have to make sure that it aligns and it's the same. One is not showing, especially the down one is not showing. That is just the only thing. So can you see? So I can you see? I've I aligned it very well. So not that I can't use it. So now I will just quickly use the my Sim Sports label. Then I will show you how it looks. Please subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified once I post. For now, I'm posting every day. At times, I post in the morning, I post in the evening. So, for you to have to see a lot of things you can do with your flower. Look at this. Even if I want to reshape it, let me do something. But you have to be very careful when you are doing this. Just slight heat, it will give you another shape. Another, you set it well. You set it well. You have to know that you are setting it well. It's giving you a slight different shape. You can do it both in front, but you have to be careful with this because you can easily spoil the work if you are not so careful. So now, so it depends. Of course, you can also do it to the front parts. You can do it anyhow you like it, anyhow. So I hope you like the class. I hope you enjoy it. Please come on Telegram, search for SimSword Fascinator community where you can post. It is where you can post all these things. You can show me what you have done and where I can also correct you and motivate you the more. I would like you to just subscribe to this channel and like my page. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next class. Bye.